Freelancing is all about leveraging your skills on a project basis. Imagine working from anywhere, your couch, a cafe, or even a beach, without a boss breathing down your neck. In 2025, freelancing has evolved into a legitimate career path, offering unparalleled flexibility and freedom. So, what skills can you sell? Graphic designers are in high demand for logo creation and social media graphics. Writers can dive into blog writing, copywriting, or even resume building. Video editors are sought after for everything from YouTube videos to wedding highlights. And let's not forget web developers who can create stunning websites using HTML, CSS, or WordPress. If you're worried about not having these skills yet, don't be. There are countless resources available to help you learn and grow. The freelancing world is waiting for you to jump in and make your mark.